Selling websites to local businesses used to be a tough sell. You had to explain to business owners why they needed it and then why it mattered. But with AI-powered websites, the value becomes obvious almost immediately. And when the business owners see what this AI website can do for their business, it practically sells itself. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up these smart websites. I'm going to even give you one for free. I'm going to show you how to price it, and I'm even going to show you how to find business owners. Let's dig in. Now, I'm not going to waste any of your time. I just want to jump right in and break this entire process down. Okay, this is an AI smart website. This is the AI on it. It's basically a cleaner website that can do customer support and sales 24/7. Now, if you don't believe me when saying these AI websites can't sell themselves, well, they technically can, and they can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. If you don't believe me, check this out. So Shayla, tell us about how many clients you have currently and just walk us through this entire process.
Yeah, so far I have around 7. I started the program end of December, and we just rocking and rolling. They said, I can do so much with this guy. I said, well, are you open to talking more options to see how we can install him into your business? And they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
When you do that, now they're selling themselves because they're now viewing it like their customers will view it. A, it's been easier to close, and B, it kind of also takes the pressure off of me in the sales process, which I like.
Yeah, well, hence the self-selling. I could keep playing videos and show you screenshots just like the ones you just saw of people crushing it using these self-selling demos. But the video is about setting this up and not showing you that, so I could just go on forever. But that is how powerful this is. I'm not kidding you. I have never seen anything like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set this up. So once you understand the setup, we then can focus on simpler things like finding clients and then running the demo through them. So the software I use is called HIGHLEVEL. Now, before you freak out, I have a 30-day free trial. It's risk-free. I talked to the team. Don't worry. I'm not trying to sell you any coaching program or some course. Do not worry. I want to give you something that you can try risk-free. And if you hate this after 30 days and you think this is, stupid, you can leave. No hard feelings. But when you sign up with this 30-day free trial, you're going to get this template right here. So that's going to make this way easier. Now, if you are interested in building these from scratch, which again, you absolutely can do, just drop a comment down below and I'll send you the exact tutorial on how to build it step by step. It just takes way longer. The templates make it way faster. So you can focus on things like selling it, which is way more important. So again, that trial is right down below. You just click it. So all we have to do once we have this inside of your account is 2 simple things. So first thing, we just need to come right to the website and we just need to make sure it reflects the business, or if this is what you want to use, that's fine. You can leave it as is. You don't have to change anything. You just need to connect a domain so it can be live. I mean, technically you could leave it on this preview domain. It still works. But if you want to make it live for them, you'd have to just connect that. Once that's done, all we have to do is go to AI agents, come right up to voice AI, come right into agent list, go right into Chanel. This will be the one you see. And all you have to do, if you want to change this up at all, you just have to change the name, the business name, pick a different name, and then change this right here. Then click save. Then under agent goals, all you'd have to do is change those things that you changed previous in agent details right under agent goals, and then you're done. That's it. Okay, so these agents are already set up. I mean, you can even see I have the settings tweaked just the way I want them. But I don't want you going and playing with this because if you mess it up, I can't fix it for you. So these are already all set up perfectly and flawlessly. You just have to change the basic stuff and then you're good to go. And you can always test it right here. And that is for this AI agent. So once you have this part set up, we now need to move on to the last part, which is just making sure that this widget is on the site. So we come right in here. Okay, we come right to chat widget, and you're going to want to make sure Chanel should be there, is plugged in, and then right in here, you want to click this exact one right here. It should only be that one, and then click save, and then come back, come to websites. This should already be connected, and then make sure it is all set up and good to go. Refresh the page, and then come in and quickly test your smart website. So let's run through a test together.
Hello, you reached EverQuest Realty. This is Chanel. How can I help you today?
Hey, Chanel, how you doing? I'm trying to get my house looked at.
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And it sounds like you're ready to get the ball rolling on selling your house. Exciting. I can help set up a free property evaluation with one of our expert agents. Could you share?
So I can just keep on going, and it's basically going to work through an appointment booking, et cetera, et cetera. So that is how easy it is to set these up. I'm not even kidding you. When you have templates like this that I give you for free, it makes the process lightning fast. If you don't believe me, drop a comment down below, and other people will hop on and be like, yeah, dude, it's really easy. It is so simple. And again, If you want to build this from scratch, I have you covered for free also. I'll drop a tutorial right there and you're good to go. So don't worry about that. But again, having these templates make it way faster. And so I'm going to be honest, if you're a complete beginner, once you understand like the basics of what this software is, which again, it may look overwhelming, but you don't have to click all these. You just need a couple. From there, all that's going to happen is you just have to follow that part that I did because it's already done for you and set up and you're good in literally 5 minutes. No joke, 5 minutes per setup. Never seen anything this valuable and this powerful. And again, guys, it is free. So now that you understand how to set this up and what this is, let's go over the fun part, which is how to get these AI smart websites or AI agents in the hands of business owners so you can hopefully get paid. That is why we're here. So let's go over that step by step. First thing we got to do is go over pricing. What should you charge for this? All right, so for these AI smart websites, you can charge all the way up to $1,500 for a setup. I mean, you could go up to $5,000 if you want. This is kind of the sweet spot. And then recurring, you want to collect around $297 per month. Now, it is really important that you have that recurring money come in. I'm explaining in literally like 20 seconds why, but it's going to help with a lot of stuff. You can also waive the setup fee. That means give it to them for free and then come right in and then just do the $297 because obviously it has to pay for the AI and they have to pay you for your services. So that is the whole goal with this. You want to collect the recurring money. This is so important. One-offs and two-offs are nice for a burst of cash flow, but if you can't stack clients month after month in the recurring manner, you'll never grow. Like it is literally one of the greatest things ever once you get this dialed in, because what happens is you just stack more and more clients. And if you do your services right, again, that's a caveat. If you do your services right, you'll slowly stack it more and more. And every month you grow more than the last month, as opposed to having to hunt and kill every month with the onesies and twosies, which a lot of you guys do. And it makes it way harder. But the recurring, you can kind of relax more and then your money builds up and it's way better. So let me show you what this looks like. So this is one of my AI recurring money income streams. Now, again, this is for educational purposes only. This is not a guarantee. I'm not promising you're going to make this. This is just one of my AI income streams that I have. I have multiple, and I want to show you how powerful this is. And this is for selling stuff like AI agents, okay, reputation management, a mix of different things. But look at this. This is really interesting. Okay, in here, I made $19,000, and this is just one of my income streams. Again, I have many for just selling one service, and it stacks the month over. So if we come over here and we go to January, you'll see I made a little bit less. I think gross I made that, but I made around 17K. We come to the month of February, or not February, we'll come to this month. Or no, we go like this, and you'll see right here, it's close to 10K. And what you're seeing here is the way the recurring money flows. I'm not doing this to try to flex on you because, again, this is just one of many. But the point is once you get recurring money dialed in like this, it carries over month after month. Now, I don't have to do a lot of work. And as you saw in these last 3 months, it's relatively the same. Now, I could keep going back further, and just whatever. We could go through all these. And you'll see it's all kind of hovering around 15 to 20K. And again, this is mostly for AI agents, just one of my income streams. And guys, this is possible. And again, the goal is when you sell recurring, that's why I bring this up, because these are recurring payments, it carries over every single month. Now, yes, some people cancel, but you want to have these recurring business models because it's going to allow you to carry over. Again, I know I keep saying this, but it's so important because your stress will go down. You won't have to hunt and kill every month, and it will give you resources to put into the next month to grow your business. So that's why it's important to get this recurring monies, because again, it carries over, and these AI smart websites can enable you to do so. So now that you understand what this is, how to price it, we now need to go over the self-selling demo and then where to find clients, which I'm going to get to in just one sec. But this is really important. So just like Shayla and John said earlier, you want to go through and you want to have the AI prove itself. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring them to your smart website and you're going to want to make them demo it for themselves. Not having the AI sell them, but the AI sell their customers. Very important distinction. A lot of people screw this up and they do it the wrong way. We don't want that. What we want is the AI to sell their customers and they see it. So for example, go to them and be like, walk through trying to get your property sold or talking to a realtor or whatever. You want them to walk through the process of a buyer, not as the person buying the service. So it'd be like this, going from beginning to end.
This is Chanel. How can I help you today?
Hey, Chanel, how you doing? I'm trying to sell my house. Guide them through the exact step by step so they can see how this is going to make them money.
Great. Thanks for asking. Selling your house. How exciting. Let's get started. I can schedule a free property evaluation with one of our expert agents to help price and market it effectively. Could you share the property address with me?
Yes, it'll be 3778 White Hart Lane, Virginia Beach, 2789. She made that up.
Got it. 3778 White Hart Lane, Virginia Beach, 2789. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. I'll arrange for a free property evaluation with one of our agents. Let me check the available slots for you real quick. Hang tight. Here are some available slots for the property evaluation. Today, March 11th at 8 p.m., 9 p.m., or 9:30 p.m. Tomorrow, March 12th at 3
Chanel, sorry to interrupt. Give me the earliest slot you have available. Obviously, I'm just doing this for the sake of time, but you want him to walk through the process.
Today, March 11th at 8 p.m. Should I book that for you?
Yes, please.
Great. To book your appointment, I'll need your email address so we can send you the confirmation details. Could you please provide it?
DeclanTheWizard123@gmail.com.
Thanks. So let me confirm that. DeclanTheWizard123@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
You're all set. Your property evaluation is scheduled.
Perfect. And we can go through and they'll do it. Basically, we went from A to Z, booking the appointment, answering questions, the whole 9 yards. That's how you want to sell it. And you want to have them go through that. Very important. The AI is not designed to be like, hey, Bob, you want to buy me? Not the point at all. The AI is designed to guide them through said process of what it'd be like to see them get sold on their services themselves. And that's how this works so well, is because at first they're not like, oh, it's not pitching me, it's showing me how to make this work. And the reason it works so well is it's showing them like, this is how it's working for my clients or the people I'm selling, not just selling me. And that's when the dollar signs shoot off in their brain. So now that you understand this whole process, let's go over finding local businesses to pitch this to. So to find your clients, we're going to go right into Google and we're going to type in niche and then location keywords. So we're going to do plumber in, let's do Las Vegas. Again, you put in whatever niche and then keyword. So there's two different ways we're going to do this. So number one, we're going to be finding the people that need the full AI Smart website. Those are businesses without it. That's going to be the $1,000 setup fee, et cetera, et cetera. Then we're going to find businesses that just need this, because we can, believe it or not, come right in here to Chat Widget and we can take this code and we can put this Chat Widget on any website, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace. It is amazing. We can legitimately do that. No joke. And again, all we have to do is copy and paste in a code editor. It takes like 5 seconds and this exact agent will pop up. So we're going to be going after two different people and you have basically unlimited leads. So the first we're going to be going after is people that need the full smart website that don't have websites. So you're going to come right in and you're just going to scroll all the way down and you're going to find those without a website. We're going to go, boom, right there. Doesn't have a website. That's a lead. Keep going. And if you can't find any, you can always switch up the keywords. There's infinite keywords you can go through. Lead. And again, you can go to lead. There's a lot of leads. So you could go in and you can type in any keyword combo and pretty much find unlimited businesses. I mean, that's how powerful it is. So that is going to be the people that need the full smart website because they don't have websites. So the ways you reach out to them are simple. You have stuff like cold email. If you want to send them an email, you can walk into their business. You can send them a piece of mail. You can cold call them. Okay. You can go to a networking meeting where you can meet them. You can send them a text message. There's all different kinds of things we can do. Now, one of the things I want to show you really quickly that's really interesting, if you're interested in getting help with this, when you sign up with that free trial, I actually give you access to my entire community. And one of the things we do in this community is we have whole trainings on how to get clients and systems, like systems to send emails, text messages, voicemails. We already have that built out and it is yours free. You do not have to pay me. As you see, it says free all here. All of this stuff is free. We even have calls you can attend every single week, okay, and hop on and get to talk to these people. Well, what they're going to do is they're going to help you go through and craft your prospecting so you can reach out to business owners in better ways. Again, because that's like the hard part, which is like the cold calling, all that stuff. We have scripts. We have everything for you. And again, I'm not selling this stuff to you. It's right down below for free when you sign up with that trial. No joke. And again, try it 30 days. If you don't like it, you can quit. No hard feelings. There is no one online right now. I guarantee it. I mean, maybe you can find someone, but actually you can't because I'm one of one. There's only one of me. I know that for a fact. Find someone that gives what I give. And I'm not doing this to brag. I'm just doing this to show you is that we have so much amazing stuff in this community. And again, it is all free when you sign up with that link. So that is the first kind of way to find these businesses. The second way, okay, to sell these AI Smart websites is to find the people that have a website but need the widget. So we're going to go back, and what we're going to do is we're just going to click their website, and we're look, do they have a chat widget? They have a basic intake form. That is not an AI voice widget. You can call their number 2 to see if they have an AI voice agent. They don't. Okay, we come down here. We'll click these guys. I'm just picking random businesses. I'm not trying to pick on any of you guys. Don't see any AI widget. Again, try to find this AI widget. Come right here. We'll go right here. I don't see it. I don't see it. I mean, I could go forever. Those are qualified leads, and those people need said widget. So you have all the leads you could possibly want. You just need to reach out to them. Again, the community will help with that. You don't have to use that though. You can always do it on your own, but it's free, so you might as well. But like, this is a business model that you do not want to miss out on. I'm not kidding you. This is not fake hype. This is legit. There are so many things that come and go in your life. You've been part of this. You probably missed investing in crypto when it was really early, or in Netflix stock or something, Amazon stock. You probably missed the internet. You probably, missed posting on Instagram when it first started. There's all these things that you have missed out on. Don't miss out on another thing. This is one of those things where it's starting now. You can see the businesses don't have it. They don't have these AI widgets installed yet. As you see here, they don't even have it. And guys, you have the ability to get in on this now. And there's no one else giving you all of this stuff for free so you can get your help. So again, guys, take advantage and don't get left behind. Because I'm telling you, AI will leave you behind. But other than that, guys, that's it. If you guys are interested in this and you want all of this, the link is right down below. Check it out. If you have any questions at all, you hate it, you love it, whatever, drop them down below too. I will answer. But most importantly, watch the video that pops up at the end of this video, because it's going to break down all of this stuff in my community to show you that it's legit. Because I can yap all day, but this is going to show you like real people winning and that this is legit. And I really recommend you watch that. I'm telling you, if you are serious about your future, I really recommend you watch that. So again, thank you for watching, and watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.